Disappear, struggle, appear, shock them. 4 words, but a whole journey. This isn't just a quote. This is your comeback. This is how you rise from the dust when nobody believes in you anymore. Hey, warriors. Before we dive in, if you're someone who's been working in silence, if you've got something to prove, hit that like button and subscribe right now. Join this growing community of people who refuse to quit. Now let's get into it. Sometimes the best thing you can do is disappear. Not because you're weak, not because you're done, but because you're about to become dangerous. You step back, not to give up, but to build something bigger in silence. No more showing off. No more posting every little move. No more telling people your plans. Just you and the grind. Just you and your future. Because not everyone deserves to see your pain. Not everyone needs access to your process. Let them wonder where you went. Let them think you're finished. While they sleep on you, you're waking up earlier. While they talk, you build. While they scroll, you sweat. Struggle hits different when no one's watching. You cry, but you don't stop. You fail, but you don't quit. You feel lost, but something deep inside whispers, keep going. This is the part where most give up. This is the part where champions are made. You feel tired. You feel alone. But in that silence, your power is growing. You are not broken. You're just being rebuilt. Then one day you come back. But not loud. You move in silence. You walk in with confidence, not noise. Your vibe speaks for you. People notice. They feel the shift. They ask, where have you been? And you smile. Because they'll never understand what it took. You didn't just survive. You transformed. You're no longer explaining yourself. You're showing results. You don't need validation. Your growth is the proof. And that's when you shock them. They thought you disappeared. They thought you quit. They thought you were done. But you were preparing. You were training. You were sharpening. You were turning every doubt into fuel. You became unstoppable. The same people who ignored you will now say, I always knew you had it. But you don't need their praise anymore. Because your journey wasn't about them, it was about you. You didn't come back for revenge. You came back because your story wasn't over. Your silence was power. Your struggle was the lesson. Your return, that's the victory. And the shock, that's the moment they finally see your worth. So if you're in the dark right now, good. That's where champions are made. Disappear, struggle, come back stronger, and shock everyone who ever counted you out. Don't post about it. Don't talk about it. Just work. Just grow. Just rise. Let your success make the noise. Let your actions be your voice. Let the results hit harder than any comeback post. If this hit your soul, don't leave without dropping a comment. Like this video if you're working in silence. Subscribe if you're done playing small and ready to shock the world. Your time is coming. Keep building. Keep believing. And remember this. Disappear, struggle, appear, shock them. Until next time, stay real, stay hungry, stay dangerous.